And we're back with the finished creation of my delicious Creole chicken. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Cook your nice, delicious white rice and spoon over this delicious Creole chicken. You too and your family will love this. This is one of my favorite family meals here. They love this whenever I prepare it. I sauteed my chicken until it was nice and golden and juicy and succulent. Chopped up tomatoes, added a little chicken broth to it to bring it up and cook down. Added to the bell peppers and onions and celery, thyme, red pepper flakes, smoked paprika, those ingredients to just make a really delicious Creole sauce. After doing that, cook it down, and you will have a delicious meal for your family. It's time to get back in the kitchen, guys, and prepare these delicious meals that your family will love. I want you to become a part of Creole Indulgence. Let's get cooking in the kitchen. I know you will love it. I know your family will love it. I want you to subscribe, you new viewers. Come on board and learn some really delicious Creole cooking. I'm from Louisiana and we know how to cook it up. So I would like for you to be a part of Creole Indulgence, cooking and learning all my techniques that will give you flavorful food for you and your family to enjoy. Don't wait. Come on board. Hit the notification button, subscribe, leave comments what you would like to learn how to cook, and I assure you we can get in the kitchen and do it together. Foolproof, tested, my family love it, and I know if you prepare this for your family, they will love it too. So don't forget to subscribe to Creole Indulgence. Have a great day. See you soon.